My name is Marantha, and this is a demo of the front end, the integration process, and the database. Just to start off, I would like to give you a preview of how we deploy and test our app in the development stage. So at my terminal, I would run this command, and it would open up a browser that would allow me to deploy my app in these environments. And I choose to use my own personal iOS device by scanning this QR code. Here is a screen recording of my phone. I am showing you the Expo Go app, which is an app you can download, and scan my QR code of my project to deploy my project on your device. Here I am opening up my QR code and launching my project into the Expo server, which opens up the app for me, and it will soon display my project showing 3 pages: the default scanner page over here, and the fridge page, one I mainly worked on. And here's the settings page. So we're going to quickly go back to the fridge and scanner page, where we're going to quickly scan some items that are known to be in the Edamame API. Here what is happening in the fridge page is it takes the outputs when the scanner scans, it takes the outputs from the scanner page and transmits it to the fridge page, where the fridge page will take those outputs and list them into a scrollable list. Another feature I wanted to integrate was the touch for delete and purchase date info. Here the user can see when the item was added to the list and estimate an expiry date. The user can also press cancel to leave. Now we're going to pick the second option, Gerber bananas, and choose to remove it. And now it's gone from the list. We can select another option, maybe change our mind, choose another option, and remove it from the list as well. Now onto the settings page, which will allow users to gain further information about the app, their fridge temperature, sign-in, location, etc. This feature is still under progress. As for my work for the database, at our initial development stages, I stuck to using web browsers due to its ease of use. This was some of our early designs where there were still 3 pages, and I mainly worked on the fridge page, as you can see here. I implemented a Flask framework with my React Native code to store manually entered items into a JSON object array. The user would have to press this plus button and then refresh. Similarly, I can add another item right here, press the plus button and refresh. This would automatically update the JSON object array that is stored in the local host right here. I just hit refresh and it updates the JSON library. And unfortunately, the delete function is not fully implemented. So if I wanted to delete a item, I would have to go into the server myself and refresh, and there I've deleted apple. But yeah, I could also add another item and it would work the same. But this feature would be implemented into the app, where in the case a barcode cannot be found in the API. And that concludes my demonstration for this presentation. Thank you for listening.